Hi everyone, this is Carol in your ELA, just checking in. I'm going to give you a tour of Canvas via the Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder. This is the free version, so maybe that's why it's a bit fuzzy, but I'm going to give you a tour around Canvas because I've checked your logins and I've noticed that some of you are logging in a lot and some of you have sort of only just become familiar with it, and it's really such a great resource. I've been really busy responding to everyone who's been posting. I know that there are people out there who are just reading all the discussions, and that's absolutely fine as well, as long as you're really engaging with the discussions and seeing that there are resources there that can support you. So with Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder, it does take a video of the screen that's on your computer at the time. So I'm going to be able to take you on a tour of Canvas, and this is a great tool that you can use possibly in the classroom. So at the moment I'm on the webcam, but I'm going to make myself small by clicking on this little button. So here I am down here. I don't actually have to be on the screen. I can click that button and just have the screen, but I think it's nice for you to see me talking. So this is the main dashboard. I'll try not to keep you here too long because I know you're really busy. So I click on the unit, and here we have all of the different sections for information that you can go in to look at. So we have the announcements for the unit. So these are the ones that Amanda, our unit coordinator, posts. And you can find all sorts of interesting information, such as the collaborate dates, the flipped collaborate recordings, and PowerPoints, and the Q&A. Here we are, the live collaborate session recording. So if you weren't able to attend those sessions, you can certainly listen to them and gain the benefit that way. And the first session was fantastic, covering all the expectations for your placement experience and task 1, which most of you will have handed in by now. So then we have the syllabus link, and if you're applying for an extension longer than 48 hours, this is where you would go to apply for that. So that's really handy to know. Then there are the modules. So there's lots of information in these modules to support you. The first discussion was an introduce yourself discussion, and then in each module there is a discussion that has a topic. So you would have completed some of these so far to support the completion of task 1, which leads into your placement. So there's goal setting, which was fantastic, professional development. And then we're starting to think about our portfolio in this third module, and there's some really great videos here. So you just click on it, and this is the discussion, of course, where you can go in and contribute, or there are videos. So here's a great video that you can watch, which helps you to understand the standards. If you look at module 4 as an example, there are some good videos here of ways to include Indigenous aspects into your lesson planning. Then we have the discussions. Now I've been so busy, I get up to date and then I'll go back and look at a different group and there'll be more posts. So I'll go into actually one of the groups so that we can see this is group 3, students, and there are discussions for the assignments and there are discussions for the modules. So there's the goal setting discussion. You can see there were 53 posts. You can certainly keep adding to that. There's so much collaboration going on, and sometimes posts might get lost. So you can see there's one of each in each of those for me to reply to. Sometimes when I click on that, it seems to vanish. So if I miss your post, please let me know. I'm on the discussions every day except Saturday when I have a break from the computer. I respond to emails every day as well. There's a social space where you can put anything that you like. I've been posting pictures of healthy food. So if you want to see some healthy food, you can go in there. Your professional experience report. That's going to be giving you some tips. I've added in something about the teaching load, explaining that. So often when Amanda sends out announcements, I will take that content and I will put it in a relevant section of the discussions just in case you miss it. Even those announcements, they go through as emails. Sometimes people's emails get a bit clogged up and they don't read them. So I try and post the information here. So important updates is a good one to check, and extra resources. In extra resources, I've actually posted lots of areas that you can get support. So assignment help, self-care strategies, the different areas within Swinburne. I've also put resources for your placement. This was in an announcement, your placement checklist, professional experience handbook link, placement expectations and requirements pack, and you'll be giving those documents to your mentor teacher. I'm sure you're all getting excited about your placements which are coming up. So these discussions are going to be a really fabulous place of support for you. You can email me anytime. You can post on the discussions. And the Assignment 1 Task 3 is getting quite busy. I advise that you start your portfolio as soon as you can. People are asking lots of questions, and as you can see, it's a colourful place because I think that helps everyone to contribute and feel right at home. And been getting so many great ideas from students about how to put the portfolio together. Some great tips here that came out of the Q&A collaborative. So just before we finish up, if we quickly go back into our main area, you can see there's assignment information. So that's where you're going to go in to your assignment and you're going to submit your assignment. There's an area to enter the Collaborate, there's the library, and there's the e-text. So so many resources for you. There's the Help Hub, and there's the Student Portal. The Student Portal is just got so many amazing areas that you can explore. So you might want to go into the Education Placements area, and there's all sorts of things in here: Professional Experience Handbook, Placement Expectations, and I encourage you to utilize these resources. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'm here to support you, and I hope that you can try out this Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder sometime. Bye.